Hi there! So Wipro sent us this Smart Kit box. It includes 3 devices. First, a smart bulb, and that's one thing I always believe you can't have enough of. Second, a smart plug, and not just any smart plug, a 16 ampere smart plug so you can control large appliances like a geyser, air conditioner, or even a microwave. My favorite is the third device, a smart extension box. Here you can individually control the power of each of the outputs. You can also track the energy consumption, and that's just amazing. The best part is you can control all these 3 devices from the Wipro app or voice assistant as well. Like it works with both Alexa and Google. It's just amazing. Now all these smart devices are kind of things that we use in our day-to-day life. When I received this box, I tweeted about it and a lot of you guys told me you would love to see an unboxing and review. So here it is. Now without further ado, let's quickly unbox it, check out each device one by one. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Texting. Let's get started. So here is the Wipro Smart Kit. You can see the images of the 3 devices. Let's open it up. So there's a card right on the top and it's addressed to me, Prasenjit Singh. Basically they like my channel and they want me to share the feedback about these devices. And there you see, you have 3 products right here. You have the smart bulb, you have the smart plug, and you have the smart extension. Let's start with the smart bulb. So you can see the image of the bulb. This is a 9-watt bulb and smart bulb of course, and it's music synced, which means it will change the colors as per the music. It's an LED bulb. On the side here, let the music control your lights, change color with music, RGB lights, 16 million colors, control the brightness from 10 to 100%, set a scheduled timer, group devices, you have some manufacturing details and the MRP of 2099. What more? Download the companion app from the App Store, get it on the Google Play Store, works with Amazon Alexa and works with Google Assistant. Alright, let's open it. And of course, here's the bulb itself. So this is a B22 socket, you can see here. This is the regular bulb that we've been seeing for so many years. It's a very commonly used bulb socket. Very nice. Plastic on the top. What else do we have inside? And we have a quick start guide. So we'll keep this aside and we'll have a look at the smart plug. So you have the image of the plug, smart plug, 16 amperes, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi support. On the side here, control electrical appliances via phone and voice, set up on and off schedule, monitor energy consumption, works with Alexa, works with Google Assistant. At the bottom, download the Wipro Next Smart Home app. You can get this from the Play Store as well as for the App Store. That's it. Oh, manufacturing details and the MRP of 2290. Let's open this up as well. Okay, wow. So the build quality looks really nice. The 3-pin socket, made in India, smart plug, and there's also a physical button on the top. It's a tactile button. So in case you don't want to reach out to the switch or to your phone or to the voice system, you can simply press this button and turn it on or turn it off. Really, really nice. What else do we get inside? And of course, here too we get the quick start guide. And finally, the smart extension. Okay, so you can see the extension board. It says individual control, works with 2.4 gigahertz single band Wi-Fi, no hub required, energy monitoring. Similar things on the back. Right here you can see the manufacturing details and the MRP of 2990. So let's quickly unbox it. So you got a quick start guide. We have that with all these devices. And here is the smart extension board. Wipro branding. You have a power on off button here, tactile buttons. Wow, that's it. Very simplistic design. Clean. There's actually nothing more than 4 plugs and the power button. So let's set it up. So let's download the companion app. We go to the App Store and we search for Wipro Next Smart Home. This app is available for iOS as well as for Android devices. Once you're done, we click open. We sign up because it's the first time we're using this app. Click on agree, allow permissions, Bluetooth, location, local network, and there you go. Now we're ready to connect. So we're going to start with the smart bulb, and you fix it to the lamp and it will light on. Wait for a couple of seconds and it'll start blinking. Once it starts blinking, you know that this is in pairing mode. Then you quickly launch the app and click the plus button. There will be a pop-up. Click on go to add. Now click on the plus button next to the Bluetooth devices and enter your Wi-Fi password. And it will start connecting. And when it reaches around 4 or 5%, the blinking will stop. Once done, you can see the smart light device is now successfully added. You can actually even change the name if you want to, like I'm changing it from smart light to just smart bulb. You can keep it whatever you want. There you go, saved. And now you can control the light from the app. Like there's a white light and now you can see it's yellow. I can basically choose even how yellow or how white I want it. And finally color, and you can see now it's turned red, it's turned purple, it's turned pink, it's turning blue. You can change the colors just immediately from here. You can choose from the prime colors on the top, as well as you can adjust the brightness of the bulb. So convenient and so amazing. Then if you come to the scenes tab, you can actually change the mood lighting, night, reading light, working light, leisure light, soft light, colorful light, dazzling and gorgeous. Of course, you can still keep changing the colors as per your preference. Then coming to the music tab, where basically the light will change as per the music. Let's do a quick demo.
Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in.
And there you go, the light is changing as per the music.
Let you in. Easy.
And then we go into more, go into plan. And here you can add and make a plan of sleep plan, wake up plan. Accordingly, the lights will turn on and off. Then you have schedule, and of course you can add a schedule when to turn on and off. It'll even give you a notification. Then there's also a timer where you can set hours and minutes. The Smart Bulb by Wipro is a complete package. Change colors, set schedule, control it with voice, control it from app. It's got everything you need. Alright, let's move to the smart plug, and you have to plug it in into the power supply, and then you press the button on the top for 7 seconds to put the plug in pairing mode, and you will see the LED light in the bottom will start blinking. Then as before, you go to the Wipro app, you click on plus, there will be a pop-up, click to go to add, click on plus, add your Wi-Fi credentials. The connection process will take a couple of seconds. And there you go, you're done. Now once you click on it, you will see the interface. There you go. Now for example, if you click in the center, you will actually turn on the plug and you can see it's actually turned on. There you go, the color on the LED has changed. On the top, you can see the watt consumption as well as the watt consumption per month. It's just amazing. Then if you come into the timer tab in the bottom, you can actually set a countdown. You can actually set a schedule for turning on or turning off. And the countdown thing is very helpful. For example, if you just want the AC to turn on for a couple of hours, you go to countdown. If you want a particular time for something to turn on and off, then you come to schedule. It's really nice. Rest, you can also monitor the energy, the consumption per month, per year. All that can be checked on the app. Alright, it's time to move to the Wipro Smart extension. Now you press that power button for 7 seconds so that the device enters pairing mode. The red LED light starts blinking, which means it's already in pairing mode. Now you go to the app, click on plus, there'll be a pop-up, go to add, enter your Wi-Fi credentials, and the connection process will begin, which again will just take a couple of seconds. And there you go, here's the interface. Now you can actually turn it all on together, or in fact even control each output individually, which is just so amazing, and all that right from the application. And if you click on that power option on the right, you can actually see the power consumption, the voltage, all that. And just for fun, we connected our laptop charger to the extension, and here you can see it's actually showing the electric power that is being passed through. 468, 65 watts power, voltage, all that right on your app. Alright, it's time to set up the voice system. So you click on me and you can choose between Alexa or Google Assistant. I'm going with Amazon. Click on sign in with Amazon. Once the app opens, it's going to ask you to link the Wipro Next Smart Home with Alexa. Click OK. And it says binding, please wait. And there you go, already linked with Amazon Alexa. So now you can start using all these devices directly with any Echo speaker. So now you can control all these devices with the voice command using an Echo or Google Smart Speaker. Turn on the bulb, turn off the bulb, even change the color of the bulb. It all works great. Rest, coming to the smart plug. And I believe this one is probably a must-have for every home. It's perfect to control your air conditioner or geyser, and the best part is you can even schedule it. Finally, coming to the smart extension. And I like that you can control it all at once or even control the power individually. You can even see the power consumption, which makes it a perfect smart extension box. Now it comes with a 5 feet or 1.5 meter long wire, which is probably my only complaint. I really wish it had a longer wire. It would have just made it perfect. Now coming to the price. So the 9 watt smart bulb with the music sync is priced at 699 rupees. Then the 16 ampere smart plug is priced at 999 rupees. And the smart extension is priced at 1999. I'll leave the links of all these 3 devices below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feel free to mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.